Hello viewers, here is an issue I've had in the bedroom for a very long time. The only outlet on this wall is situated behind this shelf. And I need the shelf to be close to the wall because the pathway in between the bed and the shelf is relatively narrow. So in order to use this outlet, which I need for window fans and such, I have this here, this extension cord. It's one of the ones with a 90-degree angle on a plug. So I can put the shelf pretty close to the wall, and then I plug everything in. I plug the fan into here, and it works fine. But I'm just thinking, oh my goodness, there's all this extra wire. There's got to be a better answer to this, especially because I don't have one on this side, because with the way this plugs in, this cord ends up blocking the other outlet. Because I have two of these. Actually, I think I have 3 of these cords, but I can't fit another one in just because of the way it's designed. So I went on Amazon in search of a better answer for over here, and I found these. These are made by Xiotech, or however you want to pronounce it. I've never heard of that brand before. Supposedly they're the outfitters of the technology age. And these are 16-inch cords with the 90-degree plug. The 90-degree plug rotates. So this may allow me to plug in both units, to have one on either side, and not have a ridiculous amount of additional slack. So I'm going to set this one up like that. And this one like this. So now I can move my shelf back. And we have lost the plug for this side. Let's reclaim that here. Push this back a little bit more. And so now we just have this. So I can connect my fan here. And now I'm going to have this in the window. There's no more extra mess. And if I wanted to, I can just plug it in over here instead of dragging the whole cord around here and it's a tripping hazard or whatever. So let's just make sure this thing works, because you never know. It's made in China. Yep, it works. So there you have it. 18-inch rotating plug power cord extensions by whatever that brand is. Of course, only time will tell how long these hold up. But for the moment, what a great solution.